In their fight against the militants over the last couple of years, Pakistani security forces have managed to capture hundreds of suspected militants, and after more than a year of detention, many of them have yet to stand trial, though the country's law does not permit detention beyond 90 days prior to the trial. The awaiting trials are believed to have been either directly involved in the attacks or have helped the militants by providing them with refuge or logistic support.
Superior Court High Court.
We are trying to do the best of our ability to handle cases of terror suspects. We follow legal procedure to make it sure that innocent among terror suspects are released within no time.
Those captured terror suspects who come from different parts of the restive areas have been shifted to the city of Peshawar for trial. But the court procedure is slow, and so far not many verdicts have been issued. Relatives of some of the arrested militants say that the authorities apply delaying tactics whenever it comes to producing the accused before the justice, a statement which is utterly denied by the officials.
For the last 8 months, I have been running around the courts to get the release orders of my son, who was arrested allegedly on the charges of involvement in a bomb blast in Peshawar. The authorities have no evidence against him, but still my son is not being released.
At this time, in our province, each and every fort and each and every center of the forces and the agencies, that has become a detainee center, rather a torture center for the general public. They are picking up the people without any allegation, without any proof, without any, involvement in these criminal acts like they allege.
However, officials say they are doing their best to make sure the militants receive a fair trial as soon as possible. It is worth mentioning that in the past, courts have released many of the militants due to lack of sufficient evidence. Observers warn the same could possibly be the case with those in custody now. Legal experts see the government might be seeking amendments in its law on terror in order to find a straightforward and uncomplicated way to punish those involved in terror-related incidents. Zahid Hussain, Press TV, Peshawar.